Please make sure the package can easily fit through your doorway and elevator to ensure a smooth delivery. 2 people are required to carry this product. Open the box where you want to install the product. Do not open with a sharp object. Check that no parts are missing. Use on flat flooring. Do not throw away the fuse. Turn off when not in use. No jumping or climbing on the product. Keep small children or pets away during installation. Do not modify or disassemble product. Please refrain from sharing the electrical power source with large appliances. Due to the risk of injury, please wear gloves. The massage chair comes in one big box. It is recommended that 2 or more people install the product. Please check the position of the handles on both sides of the box and use the handles when you move the product. Carefully remove the straps of the box using scissors. After removing the box straps, lift the box carefully from both sides. Remove internal packaging. Check the box of accessories on the seat of the main body. Check the accessories of Falcon. Carefully place the leg units to the side and remove the packaging. Carefully remove the vinyl. Hold the bottom of the front side panel and the handle at the back to move the product to your desired location. Find the remote control. Place the remote control on the remote control stand. Find the cable on the right side of the seat. Connect the cable and remote control by aligning the small tooth on each side. Twist the ends clockwise to secure. Make sure not to tighten it excessively. Tuck the cable away behind the right arm unit to hide. When you receive the chair, it comes in reclined position. It must be powered on and inclined in order to install the legs. Find the power cable from the product accessories. Connect the power cable to the port located at the back and turn on the power switch. Incline the chair to install the leg unit. Press power, OK button. Wait until the chair is automatically adjusted to its original position as shown above. Once completed, turn off the power and proceed with assembling the legs. Distinguish the right leg from the left leg and place them near the main unit. To distinguish between the right and left legs, each leg unit has an air hose and connector that aligns with the chair unit. Take the electrical connector from the leg unit. Connect the electrical connector to the main unit. Take the air hose clamp and slide it into the air hose that is attached to the leg unit. Connect the air hose to the main unit. Use a plier to open the clamp and fasten the air hose to secure its position. Repeat the steps for the opposite side. You will see screws that are already in place. Remove them, add the rotating sleeves, and add the screws to install the leg units. Prepare 4 rotating sleeves. Attach 1 rotating sleeve on each side of each leg hook until it clicks into place. Make sure the rotating sleeve is attached with the top facing upward. Repeat the steps for the remaining rotating sleeves. Place the legs rotating sleeves on the hinge frame of the main unit. Insert the screws in each hole and tighten it using a screwdriver. Repeat the steps for all 4 holes. Attach the 3 velcros in this order when connecting the cloth in between the legs of the main unit. Use the zipper that is attached on the end of the seat and the leg unit to cover the binding. Press the quick dial button for at least 2 seconds to power on. You are all set now. can set up your profile to save your personal massage settings such as massage speed, rolling speed, air strength and XD intensity. Click Create Profile, and select desired profile among family name. This screen shows the status, time, and levels of the current massage. Select the desired massage area using the up-down button and adjust the massage speed using the left-right button. Press XD button on the controller and choose the intensity levels that suits you best from 1 to 5. The XD levels control the depth and intensity of the massage rollers. Level 5 has the most strong and firm massage. Use down button and click Save to favorite the specific massage settings. You can go to your favorite saved modes by clicking Home, Favorite, List, Select, OK. Note you can check more detailed instructions in the manual. How to connect your massage chair to Bluetooth. 1. Click Home, Settings, Connect Chair, select Bluetooth, select Connect and OK button. 2. On your mobile phone, ensure Bluetooth is turned on in your settings. 3. Scan for available Bluetooth devices and look for a device name starting with Falcon Bluetooth number. Once paired, your massage chair is now connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Wi-Fi connection for software updates. 1. Click Home, Settings, Connect Chair, Wi-Fi. 2. Wi-Fi is only used for any software updates. If your chair model is not showing on the list, that means there is no software update needed. This Bodyfriend product supports 2.4 GHz only. 5 GHz not supported.